On Monday, 6th of February, a devastating 7.8 magnitude of earthquake struck Adana, Turkey, and the areas around it. Homes were destroyed, families were torn apart, and lives were changed forever. The impact of this disaster is overwhelming, and the road to recovery will be long and difficult. In the wakes of this tragedy, the people of Turkey needs our help. They need food, shelter, and medical care. They need a glimmer of hope in a world that has been turned upside down. That's where we come in. By donating to Turkey, we can make a difference in the lives of those affected by this disaster. We can provide hope when all seems lost. We can show the world that in the face of tragedy, we will stand together and support one another. Your generosity will provide food, water, and medical supplies to those in need. It will help rebuild homes and communities. It will show the people of Turkey that they are not alone in the times of crisis. Together, we can make a difference. Please donate now. Thank you.